Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x24 diecast model of Dodge Challenger Hellcat by Motomax, and we also made a miniature 1x24 diorama of McDonald's for this video. So if you want to see the making of that, you can click the link on the top right corner. And I bought this model from Amazon.in for 995 rupees or nearly $15. So if you want to buy it, I will provide the buy link in the description of this video. So if you aren't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, and if you want to see how we make these miniature dioramas, you can subscribe to our other channel as well, Miniature Homes. I will provide that link in the description of this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.